Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam Easter cloche, and what you'll need is one of these little votive holders from Dollar Tree, a candlestick holder, and one of the glass candle holder plates. You can probably find these oil or vinegar bottles at Dollar Tree. I have this one here that I just had at home in my stash, and I'm just going to need this top part of it for my cloche, so I'm going to be using that. These Easter eggs I picked up last year at Walmart. They were $1.98, so you'll need an Easter egg. I have some of these foil shreds I picked up at Dollar Tree, some diamond wrap from Dollar Tree, and then some of these self-adhesive gemstones. You can find these at Dollar Tree either on a roll or on a sheet like this, about half the size, so you can find those there. I have a paintbrush here from Dollar Tree, and then some craft paint that I had in my stash, and I'm using silver. You're going to need some scissors and some hot glue. You can use E6000 if you want a permanent bond with your cloche, but I'm going to be using hot glue. And these are the items that you'll need to create the glam cloche, so let's get started. I'm going to start by painting this base, and you can use as little or as much of this silver paint as you want. And I'm just kind of going around the base part of it, the neck at the bottom. And I'm not trying to cover this with an opaque paint application. This is just to add a little bit of a hint of silver to the glass base. That's all I'm doing. Because we are going to be adding some diamond wrap to this as well. And this is optional. If you want to keep it completely clear, you can do that. Okay guys, now what I did is I initially started painting the outside of this with the craft paint, and I really wasn't too keen on the way it looked, so I washed it off, and then I went and got my trusty Mirror Effect spray paint and painted it on the inside here, you can see. So it gave me the kind of shine that I was looking for, and that kind of graduated look for the shine down at the base. So now I will be using this craft paint, but I'll be using it for a different part of the glammy cloche, and you guys will see that in just a moment. So now that this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and start putting my gemstones and diamond wrap and really blinging out this base. So let's get started with that. And try to have fun with this, you guys. As you can see, I'm just kind of adding this diamond wrap around here just to embellish it. You can add as many gemstones as you like to get the look that you're going for. You don't just have to do what I'm doing. So if you want more, you can always add more. Start working on this base part of it, and I'm just going to be adding some more of these self-adhesive gemstones. Right around the top edge of this. Just like that. You guys can see this. I'm just adding the gemstones right to this top edge here of the plate, so we can get that really pretty glammy look. And sometimes these gemstones, you might have to add a little bit of hot glue if for whatever reason it feels like it's going to pop off. You can always do that. Okay, and so that's how the pedestal is looking right now. And I've gone ahead and added the gemstones to the plate part of the cloche. And I'm going to go ahead now and get started working on this dome part of the cloche. And so I'm going to be adding some gemstones right around the edge up here as well. And I hope you can see this, what I'm doing here with the diamonds, gemstones, just adding it around this top here. So I'm going to keep going, continuing to add more of these gemstones. Okay, so now that I've got this completed, and I'm just kind of letting the adhesive on these set up a little bit. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and start painting an Easter egg, a glammy version of that. So I'm just going to take one of these eggs that I got from from Walmart, and I'm going to go ahead and just rest it right on this. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to sit on there perfectly. You just need something to suspend it so that when you're painting it, you don't have to continuously touch it. So I'm just gonna take some of my silver paint, put just a little bit like this, and just start painting the egg. Now you can do as many coats of the silver as you really want. So what I'm going to be doing is and then this just lets you turn it like this. See how much quicker that is, and you don't have to worry about getting any paint on your fingers and making a huge mess. So I'm just going to be adding just a little bit of this iridescent glitter. Not a lot, just a little, because I still want my silver paint to show through. So I'm adding a little bit of iridescent, and then I'm going to go back over it with a little bit of silver. And again, you don't have to do this. This is just a further little embellishment that I'm adding to the egg. Around the base like this with hot glue. You're going to want to put a little dot of glue on here so that it holds properly, and just center the cloche just like that. Put some pressure and hold the pedestal just like that. There. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this an easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.